Hello, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna look into the unboxing of Poco X4 Pro 5G mobile and with some specifications of this mobile. So let's get started. So this Poco X4 Pro 5G mobile obviously supports the ultra-fast 5G network and also comes with the 8 GB RAM. So as standard, it comes with the mobile case. The overall packing itself is good and decent. And in terms of the mobile case, this is a transparent mobile case that comes really handy. That's a good material as well. So this Poco X4 Pro has the Snapdragon 695 processor with the CPU of octa-core 2.2x, and this supports the Android 11. So as we see, this comes with a charger and a cable. So the charger itself is a 67 watts turbocharging. So the key feature of this Poco X4 mobile is that it supports a massive battery life. So it got a 5000 mAh battery, so which lasts for nearly a week. And also it's a very quick charging. So this Poco X4 has a 164.19 mm height with a width of 76.1 mm. So this is a very thin mobile, so basically it's got just a 8.12 mm thin and it got a 205 grams of weight. So as we see, this is a flat black banner and this is made up of the glass. So this particular model is a laser black and got the dynamic shimmer shine design on it. So the sides of the frame in the phone is also more flat and it has a Poco logo on the back. So in terms of the screen, it is a 6.67 AMOLED screen which supports the DCI-P3. It has a cornering Gorilla Glass 5. So this Poco X4 Pro 5G is an adaptive brightness to keep your eyes comfortable in even the darkest of the night. So this also certified for SGS eye-core display. So it supports the reading mode, sunlight mode displays as well. So Poco X4 storage comes with two different types of storage. So one is 128 GB or else a 25 GB. So this mobile is 128 GB and you can also extend the memory by using the micro SD cards. So it has up to 360 Hz touchscreen sampling rate and therefore it's very responsive screen and comes with the refreshing rates of 120 Hz. So this mobile got the headphone that comes as a standard free sample and it got two pair of speakers, and again, which is really good in terms of the sound. So camera itself, it has 108 megapixel main camera, which is the ultra high resolution camera, and it got 8 MP ultra wide camera and 2 MP macro camera. So it supports 9-in-1 pixel binding technology. So it has a dual native ISO high sensitive resolution with a less noise captures, and this also helps in remarkable sights with less noise pictures. So overall, this Poco X4 Pro is relatively good for this reasonable price because it's going to support the 5G network, and it has a massive battery which can stay up to a week. And the charging itself is a turbo charging. You got a good quality pictures, good quality videos with very less noise. It has a good storage, like 128 GB storage for a less price. So this mobile is overall good. So which this is the festival time, and if you like to buy a mobile for a reasonable price, obviously I would consider Poco X4 Pro 5G. um it, it's really good to have. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel, so I will come back with another exciting video very soon. So thank you for watching, stay safe, bye bye.